Hello everyone, Mr. Jones here with another science experiment for this week. This week I'm going to be doing a bit more of a practical science experiment. It deals with a problem that I'm sure many of us have run into, and that is carbonation. I'm sure that all of us have had an experience where we have a soda or carbonated water or something like that, that after it's been a little jostled up, a little shaken around, as soon as you open it, it just explodes all over the place. So today we're going to do an experiment about how to avoid that happening and what causes that to happen to begin with. So for today's experiment, just a can of soda, that's all you need. So I've got a nice can of Crush here that I'm going to be using for our demonstration. And so most of what today is just an explanation of what happens. So we all know that in case you take soda and you shake it up real good, you're gonna have a ton of pressure. So if I open this right now, it's going to explode all over me. And I don't want that to happen. But the reason that that happens is because the carbonation inside of it gets trapped along the sides here. So all of the sides of this can have a bunch of bubbles. If this were invisible, we'd be able to see a bunch of bubbles along the edges of this, where all of that air that's usually in the top has now been distributed in amongst it. And the reason that it explodes is because all of those bubbles are gonna try to rush out the opening all at the same time, and they take all the liquid that they're captured in with it. So you end up with soda all over the place. So the way to avoid that, if you've got a soda all shaken up, is you have to remove those bubbles from the side. So I'm gonna knock all of the carbonation bubbles off the side, going around. What this is doing is it's freeing up the bubbles that are caught to the edge, and then they're gonna go to the top of the can. So I should be able to open it, hopefully without it. And we may end up demonstrating a failed science experiment if I blow up soda all in my face. So either way, it'll be entertaining for you. But we've gone through, done our best to knock all of the bubbles off the side of the can that we just shook up. And we're good. No bubbles at all. So all that we had to do was knock all of those carbonation bubbles off the side to the top of it, and that gets us a drink that doesn't explode all over the place after it's been shaken. So this is a cool parlor trick to kind of show your friends too if you ever have a soda. But that's what we've got for this week.